So in this video, we are going to discuss about how to find the 4-point DFT of the sequence. They are given the sequence x of n is equal to 1 for 0 less than or equal to n, which is less than or equal to 2. That is x of n is equal to, if n value is 0 means you will get the output as 1. If it is 1, then also the output is 1. If it is 2, n is 2, you will get the output as 1. Right? If it is 3, it becomes 0. Right? Since it is a 4-point, I am stopping the capital N value is equal to 4. So I have stopped up to the 4 value. So for that one, you have to apply the DFT. You know the formula for DFT, right? X of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi n k divided by n. Means since the n value is 4, so I can substitute n is equal to 0 to 3 x of n, right, e power minus j 2 pi n k divided by 4. Okay. So this I can now I am going to substitute n is equal to 0. So if I substitute n is equal to 0, I will get x of 0 into e power 0. E power 0 is anything power 0 is 1. So next I am going to substitute x of 1. N is equal to 1. So it becomes e power minus j 2 and 2 get cancelled out. So you will get pi by 2 into k. Okay. Plus x of 2 e power minus j pi into k plus x of 3 e power minus j 3 pi k divided by 2. Okay. Now I am going to substitute the value of x of 0, x of 1. This is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So if I substitute, I will get 1 plus e power minus j pi by 2 of k plus e power minus j pi k. Okay. So in order to find the value of if k is equal to 0, if k is equal to 0, x of 0 is equal to, now I am going to substitute anything power 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, you will get the answer as 3. Okay. Next, if I substitute k is equal to 1, if I substitute k is equal to 1, I will get x of 1. Substitute k is equal to, if this is the second equation, this is my first equation. This is x of k. Okay. So substituting 2 in 1. Okay. The first equation, you will get 1 plus e power minus j pi plus pi by 2 into e power minus j pi. Okay. So this e power minus theta, j theta I can write as cos theta minus j sin theta. Okay. If it is e power minus j pi by 2, I will write cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Okay. Pi by 2 is 90. So what is cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 is 0. So you will get the answer as minus j. Okay. In similar way, if you write e power minus j pi, e power minus j pi is cos pi minus sin pi. Okay. So cos pi is minus 1. Sin pi is 0. So if we substitute it here, I will get 1 minus j minus 1. So get the answer as minus j. Next, if I substitute k is equal to 2. So if I substitute k is equal to 2 in the first equation, x of 2 is equal to 1 plus e power j pi plus e power minus j 2 pi. 2 pi is 0. Okay. 2 pi is 0 means I will get 2 plus e power minus j pi. E power minus j pi is minus 1. So we will get the answer as 1. Okay. So next, if I k is equal to 3, if I substitute k is equal to 3, I will get e power minus j 3 pi by 2 plus e power minus j 3 pi. So if you expand this one, 1 plus cos 3 pi divided by 2 minus j sin 3 pi divided by 2 plus cos 3 pi minus sin 3 pi. So you will get 1 plus this is 0, you will get minus j minus 1 0. Okay, so you will get the answer as j. Okay, so what is my x of k? X of k is equal to x of 0 is 3 here 3 minus j 3 minus j 1 and j 3 minus j 1 and j. Okay, so this is your x of k value. So if they are asked to find the power spectral density, okay, density, what you should do, what you should do is so you have to take the modulus of x of 0 value and square that one, then you have to divide it by n. Okay, comma x of 1 value divide by n, then x of 2 value, capital X of 2 value, okay, divide by n. So here the n value is 4 since it is a 4-point DFT. Okay, so here it is nothing but 9 by 4. Next, so if you take minus j, if you take the modulus, you will get the answer as 1. So 1 divided by 4, comma 1 divided by 4, comma 1 divided by 4. So this is your answer. So this is nothing but your power spectral density. Next, if they are asked to find the energy, okay. So the second write it as summation of this PR of R. That is nothing but 9 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So 9 plus 3 is 12 divided by 4. That is nothing but 3. So again, if they are asked to find the average power, so you know that P into N is nothing but your E. Okay, so in order to find the average power, energy divided by M. So the energy is 3 and N is 4. So this is your answer. 3 by 4 is your average power of the signal. Next, suppose they have given x of n. So this is a problem, right? X of n is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 0, and they are asked to verify it using f of t. Okay, if this is a question, means what you should do. So you simply draw the diagram, then you substitute 1, then you take the time reversal. So x of 2 you have to submit here, and the x of 1 you have to fix it here. So this is then if you add, you will get 2. If you subtract, you will get 0. 1 minus 1, you get 0, right? So similar way, if I add, I will get 1, and if you subtract, you will get 0. So next, so here if you add this one, you will get 3, right? If you subtract this one, this 2, you will get this and this. Okay. Next, you have to multiply minus j with this one. So minus j, anything multiply with this one is 0. So you'll get 0 and 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1, sorry. 1 minus 1 is 1 here. So 0, 0 multiply with minus j is minus j. So this is minus j, right? This is minus j. So 0, j is 0 plus j is j. Okay. So now my x of k is nothing but 3 comma minus j comma 1 comma j. So this is your answer. So you can verify it here, right? What's my answer? 3 minus j, 1 and j. So I hope this video is useful for you. So this question they have asked in analyst exam. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.